Well, that's great. I want to thank SEP, yourself, and FH Health for doing such a wonderful job here. And Mayor Tory, thank you for the great, incredible partnership that you've shown right from the beginning of the pandemic. And Dolph, thank you, all the folks at the Toronto Zoo. What an incredible place this is. But I wouldn't be able to move forward on anything if it wasn't for my great Minister of Health, Christine Elliott. And as I always say, the Solicitor General, and we're just very grateful. You know, we're moving forward with vaccinations within the schools, which is absolutely and so important to reduce the transmission of any student getting Omicron. I wish I could say we could eliminate it, but that's not the case. We're making sure, as Minister Lecce said today, we're putting every single protocol, every guideline we possibly can in to make sure, again, we reduce the transmission, the chance of getting Omicron. And no matter if it's, we're talking over 9 million high-quality N95 masks, 4 million of the 3-ply masks, along with the HEPA filters that we're putting around the province. We already had 70,000 in the classrooms starting back in September. We're adding another 3,000 and 5,000 of the HEPA filter systems within childcare as well. We're enhancing cleaning. We aren't holding back on anything. So I'm optimistic and cautious, but optimistic that we're going to have a good opening on Monday. I want to thank the teachers. And this is the reason we put we stood this up, allowing the teachers to come here and education workers to get vaccinated. We stood up 10 of them. But the key, I always look at the numbers. I'm a numbers person, private sector, public sector. And I looked at our numbers from the 5 to 11-year-olds, and we need to increase those numbers. And I always look at best practices around the world, best practices at other provinces. And I want to congratulate Premier Fury out in Newfoundland. He's at 70%, and take his practices. We're going to make sure that the kids get vaccinated. We've sent out the permission slip. So when the kids bring home the permission slip, parents, or when you have them, please sign them. Please sign them and get them back. And we're going to be vaccinating the kids in schools. That's the quickest and the best way. That's how Newfoundland hit 70%. We're doing extremely well with kids from 12 to 17. We're well over 82% when it comes to 2 doses, over 90% on 1 doses. But we're going to throw everything we possibly can at making sure that we have a good opening, and I'll pass it over to Mayor Tory.
Well, I'm just happy this is yet another example of where we can work together and get things done. In this case, the zoo, of course, is owned by the city and run very capably by Dolph de Jong and his team, and we're making the space available. FH Health, we brought the private sector into that partnership, and with the province, we're going to get people vaccinated. And all of our efforts as a city are being put into vaccination, but in particular to make sure that we get as many teachers and students and education workers vaccinated before the return to school so that we can do that as safely as possible. But we're also focused on the long-term care residences that we own, as well as continuing with our efforts on boosters and on first and second doses, because there's still a fair number of people that we need to convince to get that done, because we know from everything we've been told over and over again, the most powerful weapon that we have against Omicron and against COVID-19 is vaccination. And so it's great to be able to bring together that partnership of the private sector, of the City of Toronto and the Province of Ontario to get people vaccinated, in particular education workers, but to get people vaccinated. And we'll just carry on with that work in support of what we're all trying to do to put this behind us, but in particular in the short term, to get the schools open safely so kids can get back to school and teachers can get back to what they do so well, which is to teach kids.
Deputy Premier or Solicitor General Jones, do you have any comments?
Well, I'm very grateful to everyone at Toronto Zoo and for FH Health working together to put this vaccination center together. But I'm also very appreciative of the fact that teachers are going to be coming out. They are going to be very, very busy this afternoon here, as I understand it. And I want to thank them because they are doing their part, as we're all doing our part, to make our schools as safe as possible for our children when they return on the 17th.
Yeah, the only thing I would add is at the end of the day, we will continue to ramp up these vaccination clinics, but people have to step up and actually get vaccinated, have those conversations with their young people, with their students, and make sure that they take advantage of the many different and unique opportunities. And the Toronto Zoo vaccination is obviously one, but there are literally thousands of them across Ontario. Thank you.
The theme is get vaxxed.
Yeah.
Should we follow Premier Legault's?
Well, we're taking,
Vax attacks.
yeah, Jamie, no, we're taking a different approach. We aren't going down that road. We're going to take a different approach, but I implore, I ask, I beg every single person that's not vaccinated, please protect yourself, protect your family, protect coworkers. Please get your vaccination. That's the best way we can defend against Omicron or any of the variants. So,
But we're kind of at the end of the rope as far as getting the unvaxxed vaxxed. Should we do more to get them and more social interference or more social pressure to get them vaxxed?
yeah, but in in a lot of provinces, we've never taken that approach. We're going to take a different approach. We're going to encourage them to go out there and get vaccinated. And even when I get the reports every day, I still see 1, 2, 3,000 people getting their first dose, which is very encouraging. I just ask everyone, please go out there, get vaccinated, and you're going to help everyone. So thank you. Again, thank you to our educators. Thank you to the parents for having patience. I fully understand. My kids were younger, 4 kids is very challenging. So I appreciate your patience. And I also want to thank the kids. You'll be back in school on Monday, and I think that's great news. But we have to be extremely cautious. Thank you, everyone.
All right.